Alright guys, it's Shannon from Shanta's Workshop, and today I have my subscription box from the Glitter Guy. They did not get their really cool designed boxes in time for this shipment, so it's in a plain white box. But I'm excited to get it. It literally was just delivered and I ran up here to make a video. And I did make a video of an unboxing for one last time. I actually did make the video, but it didn't save, I guess. Or maybe I never hit record. Anyway, that's why I don't have a video for the last Quack Pack subscription box. Clearly, I don't know how to open a box. Let's see what's in here. Let's pull off out of here. So this was the February box, so it looks like it's going to be kind of some Valentine's kind of stuff in here. We've got Big D looking all sensual. 3rd edition, season 2. The pretty pink lanyard with hearts and Cupid D. Very nice. What have we here? Have some alcohol inks. These are bigger bottles too, I think. Maybe not. Caribbean. This is one of my favorite blues. I use this for my beach cups. And I think this is magenta, but I can't see. Yeah, this is magenta. Cherry red. Another one in here. Ooh, rainbow. Very nice. So actually, minus the cherry red, these are the colors I use for my galaxy tumblers. All 3 of these, because I mix these 2 to make the purple, and then the rainbow goes on for that nice shimmer effect. So that's perfect. I mean, I needed all of these. And I don't think I had cherry red. Perfect. What we have here, we have the D pin laying in his rose petal bed. And it's glittery, of course. Focuses for like a second and then it doesn't want to focus anymore. And ignore my nails, they are not camera ready. Has the Glitter Guy logo on the back. There he is. With his tousled hair. Oh, D. Ooh, we've got a new Scotty pillar. I was literally just saying the other day that I think all of my Scotty pillars are dulling and I need a new Scotty pillar. Bam. I have these all over the house. Like I use them to open all the packages I get. They scrape up dried epoxy off of my table, clean the rims of my cups. I opened this box just now. All kinds of stuff. Peeling the backing off of acrylic blanks. Can never have too many of these. I mean, I have 2 just right here because I have them stashed everywhere. And now I'm excited I have a nice new sharp one. These are awesome. I use these for doming. These are the, they're like a thick popsicle stick, but silicone. Ooh, and it's hot pink. Do not have a pink one yet. The Glitter Guy logo on there. I like using these for the drips. When you do the epoxy drips on the tumblers, I like to use this for that. Doming. It's just nice to not have to use up a bunch of popsicle sticks. I just wipe it with some rubbing alcohol when I'm done with it. And it's good to go. I guess you could use it to mix up your epoxy too. Nice. What's this? Some gloves. Fancy. Will go with my hat that I got in, I think, the first sub box. Looks like it's got the special fingertips for the smartphones. Glitter Guy Supply Company logo. D on there. And they're black and gray, which is like my favorite color combo. And I have tiny hands, so they're a little big for me, but they'll work. Nice. What is this? Parts of a wind chime. Oh, this is awesome. It's like a mold for making this wind chime. Oh my goodness. And it looks like it's clear, so I think you could use it with the UV. Possibly use it with the UV resin. Strong and stretchy, so you've got twine in there. All the little chime thingies. And it's butterflies and little beads. Okay, this is going to be fun. I think this will be a fun project to do with my daughter, actually. Porous ring silicone mold. Windbell pipe. Yeah, so there's the finished wind chime, I guess. And then you have all the little mold pieces. That's so cool. Perfect for spring. Yes. Epoxy samples. So this is my all-time favorite resin. This is what I use for my tumblers. The Counterculture DIY Artist Resin Medium Viscosity. Works really well in molds too. It's my favorite. I like getting these little samples because if I start running low, or like not too long ago I had run completely out of my big bottles of resin and I was waiting for my delivery and I was like, oh yeah, I have these little samples, I can just use those. And they came in handy. Emergency stash of resin. Kaleido Splash Bomb. Oh my goodness, it's Big D in a tub. I can't. Big D's Kaleido Splash Bomb. Rainbow bath bomb with iridescent shimmer. Oh my gosh, it has like different colors inside. And they are shimmery. And it's a cloud. And it smells really good. Maybe I'll actually take a bath. I kid. Okay. Nim. Holographic. Ooh, that's so pretty. It's like a purpley pink. Warning, I'm totally the greatest glitter of all time. Huh. That's really pretty. We don't have enough purples, I feel like. So that's good. New glitter. Jaune, medium cut. That's really pretty. It kind of reminds me of Fairest Opal. The way that it shimmers, but is that like a medium pearl? So it has like the pinks and greens in there. Can't wait to try that out. Jaune. And then Lover's Lane. This is a fusion series, so they're hand mixed colors. Very nice. Looks like it has some red, some light pink, a little bit of opal in there. Bodybuilders in the Milky Way, spelled like protein whey, suffer from asteroid rage. Like steroid. Okay, yeah. They so silly. And meteor shower. It's like just the best metallic silver. You can add it in with different colors to give it a little metallic shimmer. It goes really well in Black Cat. You can mix it in there if you like the color of Black Cat, but you want some sparkle. So yeah, just a nice metallic silver. And we've got some goodies down here. We've got the sticker, D and his little flower petal thing, and then a magnet. I love the magnets. I put them on my fridge in here in the craft room. And, okay, I gotta remember to cover these up. So it looks like there's a $10 Glitter Guy gift card on here. That's cool. Okay, and then here are all the things that come in the box. Box 2. So you get the Fusion Series glitter, which is Lover's Lane, new John glitter, new Mim glitter, Meteor Shower, Marabou alcohol inks, winter gloves, and you get a Shanta's Workshop burst bundle that I made. This girl right here, it's on their website. You can download those for free. You get the CC DIY epoxy, TGG bath bomb, American Beauty pin, American Beauty magnet, and the $10 TGG gift card, butterfly wind chime mold, TGG silicone big stick, Quack says pack, passed with lanyard, American Beauty sticker, Scotty Pillar. Box value $119.11. And I don't want to show all the codes, but the QR codes for the wind chime tutorial from Sarah, awesome. And then the QR code for getting to the exclusive burst bundle on their website. And then you also get a 20% off store order from Ellie's Crafty Co. She makes really awesome burst templates as well. 20% off store orders from Crystal Ninja. And then, of course, the design pack on theglitterguy.com from Shanta's Workshop. Yeah, we got all kinds of fun stuff in this box. Loving it. Well, thanks for watching, you guys. Hope you're excited about your subscription box. And if you haven't gotten one of these yet, I'd say go for it. They're definitely worth it. You get lots of fun craft supplies that you didn't even know you needed. Like, I didn't know I needed this wind chime mold, but now I do need it and I need to create something with it. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye.